Welcome to Grandmarc Seven Corners Minneapolis, where convenience meets campus vibes and student life gets an upgrade. Choose from chic studios or spacious 1, 2, and 4 bedroom apartments, each decked out with leather-style furniture, study desks, full-size beds, and a washer-dryer setup. Think microwaves, dishwashers, and even individually locking bedroom doors. Because privacy matters. Now let's talk perks. Whether you're lifting at the 24-hour fitness center or grilling in the courtyard, this place brings the energy. There's a dedicated academic success center with IMAX, lightning-fast internet, and yes, even free printing because printers always betray you at the worst times. Add in roommate matching, heated garage parking, and on-site dining, and you've got a student sanctuary. Located at 1849 Washington Avenue South, you're a short stroll from Augsburg University and the University of Minnesota Twin Cities. Catch a bus from Washington Avenue South and 15th Avenue South or Cedar Avenue South and Washington Avenue, 15th Avenue. You're always well connected. Ready to live smart and stylish? Book your spot at Grandmarc Seven Corners now via amberstudent.com.